Hello, this is Sarah Emery with Concentrus. Today I am sharing a short and sweet tip for viewing the audit trail of transactions in NetSuite. This is extremely helpful when you are trying to investigate transactions that were deleted or changed, especially if you are looking for particular transactions within a specific time period or with certain edits. I'm going to go to Transactions, Management, View Audit Trail. And I can actually limit this by user if I'm so inclined. I can limit this by the specific action type. So create, adding a new record, changing an existing record, or deleting a record. The date range of the transaction. If I know the amount, I can specify that. I can also set the specific transaction type along with the name and account that are listed on the transaction. So just as a starting point, I'm going to select delete and submit. So I can see all of the deletions that were made, what record type, what the internal ID was, the post date, in some cases, other information that's helpful if it's tied to a particular account, and the amount. Which is extremely helpful if you are trying to find information that has gone missing, because obviously you can't search for something in NetSuite using a saved search or using a report if that data no longer exists. There's nothing to search for. So this is an amazing tool if you are trying to find something in the system that you know was there and is no longer there. Alternatively, I'm going to back up and I can select change. This is also a multi-select option. By holding the control key, I can do that. Once again, I'll hit submit. So now I can see changes to specific transactions. The only downside with this to be mindful of is that I can't see the specific details of what was changed. In the case of deletions, I can't see much information beyond what is listed in the search. So it's not going to help me recreate data that was missing, but it is a great audit trail, as the name suggests, for finding information that was deleted or changed in the system. And because it is something that you can search for by user, it is extremely helpful when you need to have conversations with users about proper practices, or if you need to adjust permissions, if you have people perhaps deleting or making changes to records that maybe they shouldn't have access to. So hopefully you found that helpful. I know this is a quick one, but it is extremely helpful when you need it. If you need this information, it is invaluable to be able to leverage this tool. So thank you so much for watching. Take care.